Guys, now today I will teach you about prepositions. I have already made too many videos on prepositions. Now what is preposition? Preposition मतलब क्या, पहले से ही कोई भी वस्तु, थिंग्स, प्लेस, जो भी होते हैं ना, लोग जब होते हैं, वो लोग, उनका पोजीशन कहाँ होता है वो हमको बताना होता है. ओके, सो व्हाइल स्पीकिंग people they do lot of mistakes. Error होता है, गलतियां. Error means mistakes. No, preposition, common preposition mistakes they do. So there are many sentences here. She is married with a businessman or a doctor or a scientist. So she is married with a businessman. Now with is what? Preposition. Is it right? No. It is wrong. It is incorrect. So what is correct? She is married with a businessman. This is wrong. She is, when कोई शादी करने जाता है तो डायरेक्शन में जाता है, वो बिजनेसमैन से शादी करता है तो टू लगेगा. She is married to a businessman. Okay. Next, he arrived to the railway station late. He में कोई आएगा, your father, grandfather, friend. He arrived, आ चुका है. जब हम निकलते हैं, when we leave our house and we go into direction of railway, we say I am going to the railway station. But this guy, ये already railway station पहुंच गया, arrived हो गया है, past tense, वो पहुंच चुका है. तो पहुंच चुका है में वहां टू कैसे लगेगा? So this is wrong. So he arrived, वो प्लेटफॉर्म पे खड़ा है, अराइव आ गया है. सो दिस इज लॉजिक. टू नहीं आएगा, एट आएगा. ओके, एट द रेलवे स्टेशन, हियर एट. ओके. नेक्स्ट, आई डिपेंड इन माय पेरेंट्स. नो, आई डिपेंड इन माय पेरेंट्स. नो, पेरेंट्स के लिए इन नहीं आएगा. आई डिपेंड ऑन माय पेरेंट्स. सम पीपल दे से आई डिपेंड अपॉन माय पेरेंट्स, नॉट अपॉन. इट इज I depend, this is wrong, on my parents. Okay guys, my sister is good in science. The sister is good in science. In नहीं, साइंस तो बहुत है, पूरा साइंस सिस्टर ने सीख लिया क्या? नहीं. My sister is good at science. So here also this is wrong. So this is an error. We always I am afraid from snake. From snake तो वहां से आता है. I am afraid from snake. I am afraid of snake. So this was the preposition. The from also is wrong. I am afraid of snake. Next, parents are responsible of their children. Parents are responsible of their children. Of is different. Of अलग हो जाता है. Parents is responsible for their children. उनके लिए. I am proud for you. I am proud for you. तेरे लिए. I am proud of you. So for is also wrong. This one is wrong. I am proud of you. This book is different than that one. This book is different than that one. This book is different from that one. Not than. Than difference, okay? This book is different from that one. So here it is from. Okay? This is wrong. Translate this paragraph in English. Now translate this paragraph in English. हिंदी से इंग्लिश में बनाना है, मराठी से इंग्लिश बनाना है. तो in नहीं, we have to go into that direction. So it will come into. Translate this paragraph into English. Okay. So here it will come into. We discuss about the problem. Now we discuss about the problem. Problem के लिए हम डिस्कस करते हैं. प्रॉब्लम है उसका डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. So we don't need to put we discuss about the problem. We have to say we discuss the problem. हम डिस्कस करते हैं, हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. So no need of putting about. This is wrong. I prefer tea than coffee. Not tea और coffee में क्या comparison हो गया? Than लगाएगा तो comparative आ जाता है. So I prefer tea. टी की जगह पे मैं कॉफी को डायरेक्शन दिखाता हूँ. So I prefer tea to coffee, not than coffee. So you understood? So this is also wrong. So you put I prefer tea to coffee. Congratulations for your success. No, for your success नहीं आएगा. Congratulations on your success. So here, this is also wrong preposition. You can put on. This is wrong. The cat jumped into the table. Into the table. Into the नहीं आएगा क्योंकि in अंदर थोड़ी चल गया, डायरेक्शन रॉन्ग है. The cat jumped into नहीं आएगा, onto. It will come. This is wrong. Onto the table. So guys, these are the common errors which we use. In the next lecture, I will teach you and explain it into detail. Now guys, please subscribe my channel, stay happy and healthy, and follow me on Instagram for short videos and even on YouTube.